there is a hidden danger in not making a decision, whether it is about bringing diagnostics in your practice or hiring that next team member or investing in a new innovative technology. The biggest threat is not making the wrong choice. It is staying in limbo. What is really the problem with maybe? Let's face it, nobody wakes up thinking, I am going to procrastinate today. I am going to not making whatever decision I need to make my practice move forward. But in business, indecision often wears the disguise of research, evaluation, or strategic planning. It's like, okay, I'm going to look into this a bit more. I'm going to talk about this with a few colleagues. I'm going to talk about this with my spouse. I'm going to continue evaluating it. I'm going to continue looking on how that fits in the strategic planning of my business. Now, don't get me wrong. Due diligence is extremely important. But when the problem you are facing is real and present, whether the problem is declining revenue, staff burnout, shrinking patient referrals, competition, well, the time to act is not someday in the future. The time to act is now, because the problem you are facing is real and present right now. And here is the trap, right? The maybe zone feels safe. Why? Because you are not saying no to something. So you have not really closed the door, but you are not saying yes to that solution to your problem either. So nothing moves forward. You are stuck in the middle, and you stay stuck for as long as you are not making that decision to move forward. The business keeps leaking potential. Your staff remains frustrated. Your patients continue to fall through the cracks, and your financial bottom line is bleeding and suffering with minuscule profit margins or negative margins. So what's the psychology of this indecision? Where does it come from? Why do we stay, in other words, in that zone of maybe? It is about control or the illusion of it. So when you stay in a maybe, it gives you the illusion of control. We think that as long as I don't decide, I cannot fail. Fear of failure makes you keep being in an indecision, in a maybe zone. But here is the truth. Indecision is actually a decision. It is a passive no. And it comes with its own cost. Missed opportunities, delayed growth, staff disengagement, and increased stress, because simply you have not made that decision.